Today we want to show you the Antari Ice 101 low fog machine. If you are looking to have the dry ice effect for your event, but don't want the inconvenience and possible hazard of regular CO2 smoke, this is the unit for you. By adding 10 kilograms of dry ice or regular ice cubes, the machine can operate continuously for 1 hour. It also keeps the ice ready for use for up to 8 hours. It's got a 2.5 litre fluid tank that will produce enough fluid for up to an hour and a half at maximum output. After the ice has been added and the unit has been turned on, it takes about 4.5 minutes to heat up, then it's ready to go. The included remote gives you even more control, like output volume, time intervals and duration, or you can control it via DMX. At the maximum output setting, this unit produces 10,000 cubic feet per minute of ankle-deep fog that quickly dissipates without leaving a mess on your floor. The specially formulated fluid also generates a whiter than normal smoke that can be enhanced by any lighting source. If you would like more information on purchasing or hiring this product, please give us a call or visit our website at edwardsound.com.au.